Welcome to this tutorial on how to allow sight sound permissions on Google Chrome for PC, especially after the new update. If you've been having trouble with sound on certain websites, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the steps you need to follow to enable sound permissions effortlessly. First, open your Chrome browser. You can do this by clicking on the Chrome icon on your desktop or taskbar. Once the browser is up and running, navigate to the site you want to enable sound for. This could be a streaming service, a video platform, or any website that requires audio playback. Next, look for the address bar at the top of your Chrome window. You'll see a small icon next to the web address of the site you are visiting. Click on this icon to view site information. This will open a small drop-down menu with various options related to the site's permissions. Now, select Site Settings from this menu. This action will redirect you to a new page where you can manage different permissions for that specific site. Here, you'll find various options including camera access, microphone access, and importantly, sound settings. Next, locate the sound option within the site settings. You will see a drop-down menu next to it. Click on this drop-down and choose Allow. This setting will enable the website to play audio without any interruptions or restrictions. Once you've completed these steps, you can close the Settings tab and return to your website. You should now be able to hear sound from that site without any issues. To summarize, here are the steps. 1. Open Chrome browser. 2. Navigate to the desired site. 3. Click on the icon next to the web address to view site information. Open Site Settings. 5. Next to sound, choose Allow. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily manage sound permissions for any website in Google Chrome. Enjoy your browsing experience with audio enabled.